你今年多大了? How old are you this year? Welcome to the episode 3 of this lesson. In today's lesson, you will learn how to ask and say your age in Chinese language. Stay tuned. For you to be able to ask and say someone's age in Chinese language, you must know how to count from 1 to 100 in Chinese. Because age deals with numbers, isn't it? It is. It deals with numbers. But what if you don't know how to count from 1 to 100 in Chinese language? Are you worried? No need to worry at all because we already have a video for that. So after the end of this video, I will put the link to my channel for you to be able to watch them. The Chinese word for age is sui. Sui. For example, 5岁, 5岁, 5 years. 16岁, 16 years. 80岁, 80 years. In Chinese, we have 3 different ways to ask and talk about people's age. For example, the way we ask the age of little children is totally different from the way we ask the age of adults. The way we ask the age of adults is also different from the way we ask the age of older people. So it all depends whom you're referring to. For example, we use 几岁, 几岁 to ask the age of children from 1 to 12. Children from 1 to 12. 几岁. Now, let's put it together. Let's take, for example, you saw a little kid walking on the road and you want to ask, how old are you? You can use this 几岁. We say, 你今年几岁? 你今年几岁? Meaning what? How old are you this year? 今年 is this year. 你今年几岁? How old are you this year? You can as well change this question. You can change the question this way. You can put it this way by asking 你几岁? 你几岁? How old are you? So instead of putting how old are you this year, you can ask 你几岁? How old are you? So in response, he or she will respond this way. 我今年3岁. 我今年3岁. I'm 3 years old this year. Or 我今年8岁. He or she can also omit 今年 and respond to you this way. 我8岁 or 我5岁. 8岁 mean 8 years or 5岁 5 years or 我11岁 我11岁 I'm 11 years. 你今年多大了? 你今年多大了? How old are you this year? 多大了 is used to ask the age of adults. While asking this question, you can also omit 今年, which is this year. You can omit 今年 this year and then ask 你多大了? 你多大了? So if you want, you can ask 你今年多大了? Mean how old are you this year? Or 你多大了? How old are you? And in response, it's also easy to reply. You can reply with 我今年20岁. I'm 20 years old this year. Or 我今年16岁. I'm 16 years old. Or you can simply say, by omitting 今年, you can simply reply with 我30岁. 我30岁. I'm 30 years old. Or 我40岁. I'm 40 years old. Or 我25岁. I'm 25 years old. So depending on the one you want, the one that will be more easier for you. So 你今年多大了? Or 你多大了? So that's all. So keep practicing on your own time. Now the last one for today is 你今年多大岁数? 你今年多大岁数? So this is also a way we use to ask questions with people that are very much older than us. So people that we see as old people. 你今年多大岁数? Or 你多大岁数? 你多大岁数? So how old are you this year? Then in response, you can simply say 我今年80岁数 or 我今年60岁数, meaning I'm 80 years this year or 60 years this year. So it's very easy to say. Now could we open to the lesson 5 of the textbook, turn to text 2 and text 3. That's what we're going to use to practice this. The first text on the text tube we have 你女儿几岁? 你女儿几岁? Try and see if you can understand what we are asking. 你女儿几岁? Then in response, she said, 她今年4岁. 她今年4岁. The question is, 你女儿几岁? Meaning, how old is your daughter? How old is your daughter? Then in response, she said, 她今年4岁. 她今年4岁. She is 4 years old. Then on the text two, we have 李老师多大了?李老师多大了?他今年50岁。他今年50岁。他女儿呢？他女儿呢？他今年20岁。他今年20岁。Do you understand the question? 李老师多大了? How old is Teacher Lee? Or how old is Professor Lee? Then in response, she said, 他今年50岁。他今年50岁。She is 50 years old this year. She is 50 years old this year. Then the other question came up. She said, 他女儿呢？他女儿呢？ What about the daughter? What about the daughter? In our last video, we've already discussed how to use this interrogative particle na. Na is an interrogative particle. So in case you don't know how to use na in sentence, you can watch the lesson 4 of our video. I'll also put the link on my channel. So 她女儿呢? What about the daughter? Then in response, she said, 她女儿今年20岁。她女儿今年20岁。The daughter is 20 years old. She is 20 years old this year. Fantastic. So today we've learned 3 ways to ask and say your age in Chinese language. To ask about the age of little kids, we can use 几岁. To ask about the age of adults, we can use 多大. That is people from age 13 upward. We can use 多大. Then people that are older enough, we can use 多大岁数 to ask about their age. In our next video course, we are going to learn about the interrogative pronoun 几. Interrogative pronoun 几, we'll learn how to use them and also study more of the particle, modal particle, la, modal particle, la. So if you really enjoyed this video and you also want to see the next video, remember to hit on the red subscribe button, turn on your notification bell for more video updates. See you next time in our next video course. Goodbye. 再见。